Standard 7, Subject Civics, Lesson number 3rd, Features of the Constitution. Question number 1. Prepare a table to show the separation of powers in a federal government. Answer. Union List 1. Defense 2. Foreign Affairs 3. Currency. State List 1. Law and Order 2. Agriculture 3. Health. Concurrent List 1. Education 2. Employment 3. Environment. Question number 2. Find one words for 1. Machinery for the governance of an entire country. Answer. Union government. 2. Machinery for conducting elections. Answer. Election commission. 3. The third list of subjects for making laws. Answer. Concurrent list. Question number 3. Answer the following questions. 1. Why does the government function at two levels in a federation? Answer. 1. Ruling a country with large territory and huge population with a single capital is difficult. 2. Ruling a country with large territory and huge population from a single capital leads to neglect of the far-flung areas. 3. In such a situation, people residing in the far-flung areas cannot participate in the affairs of the government. To overcome these problems, our constitution has adopted federal system so the government functions at two levels in a federation. Sub question number 2. What do you understand by residuary powers? Answer. Residuary powers are those subjects which are not included in any list. The union government is entitled to make laws on it. Sub question 3. Why has the constitution created an independent judiciary for India? Answer. 1. The disputes that cannot be resolved mutually are referred to the judiciary. 2. The court hears both the contesting parties, looks into the injustice if any, and gives its judgment. 3. This has to be done impartially. 4. In order to ensure that the judgments are given impartially, the Constitution of India has created an independent judiciary. This is the oral activities. Question number 4. Hold a group discussion on the merits and demerits of an independent judicial system. Merits 1. Judges are competent to make judicial review by virtue of their knowledge and experience. Demerits 1. It may violate the spirit of separation of powers. Merits second point. It enables the federal judiciary to act as the guardian of the constitution. Demerits second point. By giving the power of judicial review to the courts, the smooth functioning of the representative system of government is affected as the courts infringe upon the legislative and executive functions. Merit third points. The courts are independent and less based than legislatures. Demerit third point. Judicial review delays the operation and implementation of important and pressing social policies so necessary for the needs of a dynamic society. Merit 4 point. It protects the fundamental rights of the people, in particular the rights of the minorities. Demerit 4 point. Almost all problems coming before the judges involves issues of political, economic and social importance and legislation on them. Thus, it makes the judiciary a super legislature. Merit fifth point. It is necessary to preserve a free and limited government. Demerit fifth point. Issues brought before the courts are decided by a majority of single judge. It shows how the judges are sharply divided amongst themselves and their judgment vitally affects the nation as a whole. Merit 6 point. It enables the judiciary to guard against legislative haste and rashness. Demerit 6 point. Judges may overlook the challenges of the changing times and may refuse to move forward. They may become conservative. Question number 5th. This is also oral question. Find out about the electronic voting machines EVM and discuss the advantages of conducting elections with the EVM. Answer. The advantages of conducting elections with the EVM are as follows. First point, the process of voting has become mechanized. Second point, this has increased the speed of conducting the elections and counting the votes. Third point, as the process of counting the votes is mechanized, there is no chance of human error, hence the final count is errorless. Fourth point, this also helps in making the entire process safe, transparent and glitch free. Fifth point, also malpractices like double voting or bogus voting are avoided.